So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get $100 no deposit bonus that you can get and that you can start trading with. All right. So if you watch this video carefully, I'll show you the step-by-step process by which you can use to get this particular bonus and start trading with it. And I want you to know that you can withdraw from this particular no deposit bonus. All right. So I'll not be taking much of your time in this particular video. I'll just go straight to the point. As you can see, I've gotten mine right here. I'll just show you the step-by-step process because it's not hard to get. I'll just show you the step-by-step process to get this particular bonus and how you can start trading with it as well. Right? So just make sure you follow me closely as I show you the step-by-step process to get this particular no deposit bonus to your advantage. Right? But before I proceed to be showing you how you can get this bonus, like I've been saying in my previous video that I don't have access to my previous Telegram channel again. All right. So I just created a new Telegram channel and this is it right here. So I want you to use the link in the description to join this my new Telegram channel so that you guys can be getting updates again because I don't have access to the previous one. All right. So use the link in the description to join my Telegram channel and also like this video. All right, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel because this is a way of saying thank you for the videos I'm making for you guys. One way or the other, a lot of you have been able to benefit from these no deposit bonus that have been dropping since all these days. All right, and also I'm on a journey of dropping updates back to back for the next 30 days, and I'm sure that by the end of this journey a lot of you will be able to benefit from it. So if you want to be updated and you want to keep getting updates for the next 30 days on how you can make money online in 2025, then you have to be in my Telegram channel and also you have to be subscribed to this particular YouTube channel. All right, so hit that subscribe button and use the link in the description to be a part of my Telegram community. All right, and also don't forget to like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and comment the country where we're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. So without any further ado, let's dive right into how you can get this $100 no deposit bonus to your advantage. First, you have to download an app and I will drop the link in the description. Just click on the link and it is going to direct you to the place where you have to download the app. All right, so when you click on download and after installing the app, you just have to open the app. Right, and so as you can see right here showing at the top, step for $100, which means this platform is actually offering a $100 no deposit bonus. Right, so the first thing to do is register an account with them if you don't have an account with them. So this particular bonus is actually for total new users. All right, so just click on this menu button showing right here and click on register. All right, so as you can see showing down here, don't have an account, then you click on register. So you input your first name, last name, your email address, password, and everything you need to input right here. All right, so after inputting everything, then you click on your accept right here and then you click on register. All right, so after registering an account with them, as you can see right here, congratulations, you just received a bonus of for trading $10. But if you click on this right here, if you click on OK and you go to their homepage, you're going to be seeing your $100 right there in your account. As you can see, this is showing right here and this is the account showing right here. All right, at the bonus account, and you can start trading with the bonus. So the bonus is just very easy to claim. As you can see, this is just showing right here, you can start trading with this particular bonus. All right, so these are just the step-by-step process by which you can use to get this particular $100 no deposit bonus. It is very simple and straightforward. All right, so like I said earlier, I will not be taking much of your time. All right, so this is how you can get this particular $100 no deposit bonus, and as you can see, I've gotten mine right here in this particular video, and you should also hurry up to claim yours before this particular bonus ends. All right, so I hope you're able to get this particular bonus, and if you are not able to get it, let me know what is stopping you in the comment section. All right, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel, and most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can keep getting updates from me each time I drop videos relating to how you can make money online in 2025. All right, and don't forget to share this video with people that you feel might need it, and also like and comment the country where you are watching from. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.